Hey, Min here. So I ran out of hand sanitizer the other day, and I thought to myself, well, why can I not just make some hand sanitizers myself? I got rubbing alcohol at home, so why not? So my understanding is, to be an effective hand sanitizer, it needs to be around 70% alcohol by volume. But what I have is, I have some rubbing alcohol that's 91% alcohol by volume. So that means I have some playroom. I just need to add some liquid, add some aloes, get it down to 70% alcohol by volume. So let's do some math. Okay, so I got some aloe here, so I'm gonna cut it open and I'm gonna squeeze it into this little nice bag, and I'm gonna squeeze the slime out, and it should be enough for what we need, which is 1.5 teaspoons of it. Okay, let's go. Change of plan. I'm gonna use a blender to blend this thing up so I get more stuff. There. Okay, so now 5.5 teaspoons of alcohol. Well, so this is my hand sanitizer. It's not all the way up to the top because of estimation, and also what I found out was that this thing is actually 40 milliliters instead of 36, so the calculation may be a little off because of that, but that's okay. Shake it up, and I have aloe hand sanitizer. So I talked to Vicky. She said it smelled way too much like alcohol. So did it work? It will work as a hand sanitizer, but probably won't make it again. All right, thanks.